This is a demonstration on how to create the Micromatic Closed Sealed and Secure DEF RSV IBC kit. The following tools and parts are required for installation. A torque wrench with a 1/2 inch drive, a bung cap wrench, snips, a 6-inch IBC cap installation removal tool, a tamper-evident wire seal, a 4-key container valve installation removal tool, a tamper-evident shipping cap, and an RSV container valve assembly. It's important to note that the RSV container valve assembly down tube for a 275-gallon IBC is around 42 inches long. For the 330-gallon IBC, the down tube is around 49 inches long. First, with the snips, remove the zip tie from the 6-inch cap. With the 6-inch cap installation removal tool, connect to the 6-inch cap. With the torque wrench, torque to 70 foot-pounds. With the bung cap wrench, remove the bung cap. Next, install the RSV container valve assembly. It's important that during installation to position the bottom of the down tube to the sump in the IBC. Hand tighten, and with the container valve installation removal tool, torque the container valve to 25 foot-pounds. Next, install the tamper-evident wire seal. It's important to install the wire seal properly by going through the container valve eyelet, the IBC cap eyelet, and ground to the IBC eyelet. Install and pull tight. It is important during installation that the wire seal does not come into contact or interferes with the inside of the container valve. If it overlaps this section, you will not be able to connect the dispense or fill coupler. Lastly, install the tamper-evident shipping cap. Simply align the pins on the cap with the cams on the container valve. Start on the opposite side of the tab. Firmly press down with the palm of your hand and roll towards the tab until the tamper-evident shipping cap locks into place. This completes the installation of the Micromatic Closed Sealed and Secure DEF RSV IBC kit.